Good morning, it's 6 o'clock and I'm on a train on a Saturday morning. So what am I doing on a train on a Saturday morning at 6 o'clock? Well, I'm going to Birmingham, which is about 200 miles from here, I think, to a Mosaic course. It's a lady called Caroline Jariwala, who's an internationally renowned Mosaic artist and trainer, and she's got some courses running through this summer. So I thought I'd go and see what it's all about. I shall talk to you later. Have a great day. Okay, right, so it is 9 o'clock and I've been in Birmingham, well I've just arrived in Birmingham New Street Station and I'm stopping for breakfast because my thing doesn't start until 9:45, 10 o'clock. And so this is Birmingham New Street Station, it's the food area. And I'm in a place called Giraffes where I'm going to have breakfast. Hope you're having a good day and I'll speak to you either during the workshop if I'm allowed to do some video. If not, I'll speak to you when we finish. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Be a fish or not?
This me you're doing, or is it yourself?
This is a video, so you don't have to stand still.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Look, this is my harvest mask. And that's a little bit of wheat. There you go, harvest. So, and there's a tail here, you see. So I'm hoping you lot can get on with your work so I can work.
So I've got my design, which is there, and I've traced it onto my bit of wood, which is there. And then what I've done is I found some bits of mosaic. I was going to maybe chop one of them in half, or one of them the eyes.
You talking to us or telling us?
See, just ignore me. What did I say a minute ago? I said just ignore me, and you know.
Away. I tell you what you can do.
And then I've got a bit there, the horns across the top there.
Do we need to
And we'll see how we get on. See you later.
Therefore, I can make it a wider table because they're folding tables, you know. So, I'm talking to myself, so it's alright, don't worry.
I'm just chucking these on here, Caroline, so I can get it ground.
Oh, do you know? Oh.